In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Lyft ride history. Before we begin, it's important to know that in Lyft, your ride history is typically tied to your account. That means there usually isn't a separate button to delete only past rides one by one. In most cases, removing your ride history involves requesting deletion of your Lyft account, which also removes the data associated with it according to Lyft's process. To get started, open the Lyft app on your phone and sign in to your account if you aren't already logged in. Make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you've signed in with different phone numbers or email addresses in the past. Once you're inside the app, you'll be ready to move into the account settings. Next, tap your profile icon. This is where Lyft keeps your personal account options and app preferences. After that, select Settings to open the main area where account controls are managed. If you don't immediately see the exact options shown on your screen, don't worry. App layouts can change slightly depending on your device or the version of the Lyft app you're using. From the settings area, look for a section labeled Privacy, Data, or Account Settings. The wording may be a little different, but the goal is to find the part of the app that deals with your personal data and account management. Take a moment to scroll carefully, since these options are sometimes placed lower down in the menu. Once you find the correct section, select Delete Account or Request Account Deletion. This is the option Lyft provides when you want to remove your account and the ride history connected to it. Be sure to read any information shown on the screen before continuing, since deleting your account may affect saved payment methods, ride records, and access to the service. After that, follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity and confirm the request. Lyft may ask you to complete a quick verification step to make sure the request is really coming from you. This is a normal part of protecting your account data. Finally, wait for confirmation from Lyft. After your request is submitted, Lyft will process it and send you a notice confirming that the deletion request has been received or completed. Depending on their process, this may not happen instantly, so give it a little time and keep an eye on your account notifications or email for updates. And that's how to delete Lyft ride history, by requesting account deletion through the Lyft app.